Hello pals, my name is Ross Stanley from TS Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create and to get more Instagram engagement on your post, getting likes and comments to your post. That's very important for any Instagrammer. So in order for you to be successful on Instagram, you have to follow these few steps I'm going to leave on this video. Now the first thing for you to do, or before we do that, let's actually go ahead and look at some Instagram posts. Okay, we're just going to look at the popular ones and just ignore the non-popular ones. Now you can notice this particular image has 2,400 and something K view. Now if you click on more, you will notice what's been written here. There is a lot of hack, and there is a lot of hashtag on it. Now, and there is no other thing apart from hashtag. So many hashtag, and then there is no description, and you can notice there is 11 comments. When you scroll down to this next one, there is also some hashtag on it, and the hashtag is also more, and still scroll down even more, you can see hashtag. But I think this is actually that's actually a sponsored post, so let's ignore that. And on this one there is no hashtag and it has 15 likes. How are you expecting it to have like when you don't add hashtags? Now this has 10 likes, no hashtag, probably no more people. This is 57. But actually in this practice, all we need to be sure of is that particular hashtag. Okay, you know what, let's actually skim out and then let me show you guys some more things. Go ahead and click on your Instagram search and go ahead and search for Facebook. Let's say social site. So now I'm searching marketing, and when I search marketing, you can notice it only gave the name of an account linking to marketing, and then the rest of them are hashtags. Now you can notice hashtag is probably searchable and easily visible to so many people to find. That's the reason why you see so many hashtags here showing up, and when you click on this tag, you're going to see some more hashtags showing, and you could go ahead and click on any one of them and it's going to pop up and show you other stuffs. And when you look properly, you will notice they are not posted by the same person, they are posted by different people. This is pen cinema, pen camera. Now you should go back, click on another one, scroll down, you can notice it's posted by a different person too. Now all these are actually different hashtag, but they are all has something in common, which is marketing. And when you go to your recent also, you'll be able to see some more images and videos which have same or probably something similar, and they are posted by different person. You can see this is the creative jury. Now everything actually links into hashtag, so hashtag is very important. That means next time if you are posting a video, make sure you include a hashtag. I'm going to show you guys how to do that, but before we go on, I think there is something else that is missing apart from the hashtag. When you look properly, you are going to notice an art tag. An art tag is actually enables people to tag another person in a video, which is this one. If you notice properly, it says art tag at connect with followers _2. Now it actually comments out that particular channel, and since the channel is popular, so many people that are following that particular channel are going to get this as a post that was posted by that channel. So it's going to make you appear more visible on Instagram, both with your hashtag and both by tagging people or their business. So, and then another thing you should remember to add is location. Not everybody has that anyway, it's not so important, but you should add your location. It's very important also. So now let's go ahead and add an image. I don't have an image right now. I'm just going to back out and then go to my favorite browser and search for a particular image which I would like. So let me go ahead and open a Chrome browser. Now I'm just going to go ahead and search for my favorite image company. Okay, they're called Pixabay. You could actually get free images from Pixabay, either vector or image. So let me say YouTube. Now go ahead and hit search, and it's going to give you images relating to YouTube and creating video. Okay, now I think I'm interested in this guy. Okay, sometimes I feel that way. Now let's go ahead and save it, hold, and then download the image. Now next thing you need to do is to go to your Instagram and publish the image, adding a little bit of content and some tags on it too. So now let's go ahead and go to our gallery. This is our image already selected for us as default. Now let's go to next, and you could actually add this effect. I like this blur, it makes it look more clear. Now go ahead and click on next. Once you've done that, go ahead and add a caption, and then I'm going to say the hazards. The hazards of making a video. Now I'm going to go ahead and say hash YouTube. I actually made a mistake in the spelling. Hash YouTube creator, hash YouTube view, hash subscriber. YouTube support. And apart from adding hash, you could actually add a long word like say how to, and make sure they are together. The rule in adding hashtag is whatever word you're adding, make sure they are together. And then I'm going to include TS Tech Talk because that's my channel and I want to be visible. And now we have to add a @ sign, but instead of adding an @ sign here, it's better you tag people by clicking on the tag button. Now go ahead and select on the screen. Then I'm going to search for Pixabay. Actually, the people that owns the picture are Pixabay, so I'm going to go ahead and add them, and then I'm going to add YouTube, which is already here because I'm following them, and then I'm going to add Instagram, which is here, and then I'm going to add Google. Okay, it's not showing, so I have to search, and this is Google, and then I'm going to add Reddit. This is Reddit, and then I'm going to add TS Tech Talk because that's my video, and I wouldn't skip that. Then I'm going to add a friend, and I'm going to say okay, so this is a popular business. Another thing you should remember to do is also make sure you add popular businesses to your tagging. It also increases the visibility of that particular channel. Since I already added the Google Giants and I'm actually missing Facebook. Let's go ahead and set it, and then let's wait. So I think that's all. So when you're done tagging, just go ahead and click on good, and make sure you link to your Twitter like we used to do. My Facebook account is currently blocked. If not, it's necessary for you to link that as well. So once you're done, go ahead and click on share, and after you shared, we are just going to wait for a while and to see the activities grow. Now if I click on it, you can notice how many I've added so far, which is 1 2 3 4. I think I have a minimum of 10 hashtags already. And when you double click, and let me go ahead and check out that image. I think tags, I have to be sure of the tags. Okay, 10 people were tagged this particular picture, so it's correct. Now let's wait for it to get active. Now you can see I'm the only person that liked it, and another person just liked it just now. So when you click on it, you can see the person that just liked it just now, and someone just started following me. Without this, nobody would ever follow me. So you can notice how effective this is. I would urge everyone to start doing this too. And hopefully you like this video. If it helped you, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment, and always ask questions when you don't understand it. Okay, my name is Trust Stanley from TS Tech Talk. Thanks for watching.